Hello everyone, I'm Swati Gupta and I have some incredibly exciting news to share with you. This is the moment I have been dreaming of and working towards for years. My parenting book, Give Your Child Wings, is finally here. This book is my heart and soul, a culmination of everything I have learned as a parenting coach, as an educator, and more importantly, as a mother. It's a result of years of experience, research, and lessons I have learned while working with thousands of families around the world. So, whether you're a parent, a caregiver, or someone who works with children, this book has tools, strategies, amazing activities to transform the way you approach parenting. This book is packed with 7 golden nuggets which every parent must know. 50 plus activities for kids and parents of all ages, and 20 plus smart strategies for modern parenting challenges. So, one of the key pillars of the book is my transformative 3C formula, which has been created by me. Connect, care, and celebrate. This formula is all about building strong emotional bonds, prioritizing self care, and cherishing the small, joyful moments that make family life more meaningful and beautiful. So, today I am thrilled to share 10 reasons 10 reasons why should you really have this book with you that can change your journey, your parenting journey, and help you build a strong and more joyful relationship with your child. So let's begin. Number one is building emotional bonds that last forever. That is what we parents want with our children. Parenting isn't actually about perfection, it's about connection. This book teaches you why connection comes before correction. Connection is always above correcting your child. I'll walk you through some simple strategies like golden hour, 7 slots of 7 minutes that turn everyday moments into meaningful connections with your child. It's these small but intentional moments that create trust, love, and emotional security. Number two, fostering confidence and self-esteem. Do you ever hear people label the kids shy, naughty? This book will teach you how to replace these negative labels with empowering ones like observant, curious. You will learn how to use affirmations and empathy to build child's confidence and help them see the best in themselves. I have shared an amazing song which I and Ribhav do it every day on affirmations. Number three, managing screen time without stress. Thanks to digital world, we all are struggling with screen time and kids. Do we or don't we? It's one of the biggest challenges of modern parenting. In this book, I've shared strategies like screen time calendar, reward jar, that will help you create healthy digital boundaries. It's not about banning screens. We are not looking for that. We are wanting that balance which can be created while we are watching screens, the right balance. Number four, turn tantrums into opportunities. We have all been here. Here we are talking about toddler tantrums or teenage tantrums. That can be really exhausting. But what if I told you these tantrums are actually opportunities for connection? This book introduces empathy-based approaches like the porcupine quill analogy. What is that? It helps you decode what your child is feeling and turn those moments into chances to connect and grow together. Number five, raise emotionally intelligent kids. Emotional intelligence is one of the greatest gifts we can give to our kids. With tools like Emotional Jar, the weekly mood tracker, this book will help you understand and manage their emotions, building resilience and empathy for life. Number 6, prioritize your own self-care. Parenting starts with you. Self-care is self-ishk, not selfish. A beautiful way of saying the self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary for your own growth. You will learn how to prioritize your well-being without guilt, so you can show up as the best self for your family. You cannot pour anything from an empty cup. If your own cup is empty, what will you pour? Your cup needs to be filled so that you can fill your children's cup. Number 7, encourage independence in every stage. Whether you are raising a toddler, preteen, teenager, this book is packed with 50 plus creative tools to help your child grow into confident, independent individuals. Activities like DIY Imagine Box, the Taste Test Challenge make learning and independence fun for everyone. Number 8, celebrate everyday joys. Parenting actually does not mean that you have to have big milestones. It's about celebrating those little moments that makes your family magical. So I have shared some rules like 2:2:2 rule, the activities like the kindness chart that brings joy to your daily routine and strengthen family bonds. Number 9, break free from outdated parenting cycles. Let's be honest, traditional parenting methods like do as I say don't work in today's world. This book introduces modern research-backed strategies like connection-based discipline, emotional coaching that focus on building trust and understanding rather than fear or control. And finally, number 10, thrive amid modern challenges. Parenting today comes with unique challenges. Work-life balance, sibling rivalry, obviously it was there before also, but now the kind of sibling rivalry is crazy. And of course, digital age. So I have shared some practical solutions like family legacy project, turn-taking cards to help you handle these kind of challenges while keeping your family grounded and connected, because that is the main aim of this book. So now, Give Your Child Wings isn't just a book, it's a guide to joyful parenting. It's filled with practical tools, relatable stories, case studies, and compassionate advice to help you raise resilient, confident kids while discover the magic of parenting. So we need to embrace the fact we are a parent, we're a lucky parent, and we should always pat on our back and be thankful. Because this book has been a labor of love inspired by my journey as a mother and parenting coach. I am so excited to finally share this with you. So now grab your copy now and claim your free parent survival kit with 50 plus activities to make your parenting even more fun and fulfilling. See you, take care, happy parenting, enjoy reading the book as much as I enjoyed it in writing it for you. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Give Your Child Wings, the ultimate parenting guide. Order your copy now or check the website www.giveyourchildwings.com. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart and Sephora.